I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You must start by combining essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Check your account access and export the API token into an environment variable so you won't paste secrets later. Once done, install Log Launcher v2.1 and the required runtime. Make sure versions match. Navigate into the target project folder and back up any existing log configuration. Now run the initial discovery command to enumerate available log streams. This begins the live session and verifies connectivity. Now continue by configuring detailed options that determine how logs flow. You'll create or edit the launcher config to list sources, set retention, and choose sampling rates. This controls costs and volume. Then apply structured filters, level, service name, time window, and regex to reduce noise before ingestion. Once filters are set, enable batching and compression for high-throughput sources so you don't overload downstream storage. Test the filters with a short replay and inspect a sample payload to confirm feed. To finish, deploy the launcher to staging first and watch resource and error metrics closely. This validates behavior under realistic load. Once stable, promote to production with a gradual ramp-up and a defined rollback plan. Make sure retention and index settings match downstream queries so you don't lose visibility. If something goes wrong, use one key troubleshooting tip. Verify token scopes, network firewall rules, and server clock skew. Those three are the most common causes of missing or rejected log entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.